everyone. So I have been home for about an hour. I got dishes done. Kids are eating breakfast while I get all their homeschool stuff put together because I didn't do it yesterday and I certainly didn't do it on Sunday like I'm supposed to. So I am sitting at the homeschool table getting ready to actually film how I like prep their homeschool stuff for the week. So yeah, I want to show you guys real quick what my setup looks like because it's pretty janky. So I'm sitting at the homeschool table. Here's my chair. There's my yard. Nice natural lighting actually, but I've got like this really wobbly tripod, and then there's my camera. And I have to, I don't know if you guys can see it, I actually have to zoom in pretty far, or like pretty close, so that the legs of the camera are not in view. But I've got this giant stack of stuff here, and then my old curriculum that I used, like old curriculum book that I used to use. So we will see how this goes. That video will probably be up after this one, maybe before. I don't know. We will see. I've got a lot to do today, so I gotta get started with this so I can get their school stuff together and then get them actually taught. And random side note, every time I go to get my nails done by this one person, it's only this one person at the place, I always end up with an infected pinky nail. This was from yesterday, and it's already red and swollen, and like there's a bubble somewhere in between like my cuticle wall and my nail bed. So that'll be fun. Alright, here I go to filming.
Ice skate. Ice skate! And massive bouncy house. Hello!
So I didn't take my makeup off. I looked right through it and now I need to wipe it off when we get home.
Look at the help, I'm in the corner and
But we are at the community Christmas
event. And
event
help! I'm literally stuck. Thank you, Jer. Get back. Minecraft and Roblox are the best. I don't play Fortnite. I want to play Fortnite. If you know what Fortnite is, I've been wanting to play that forever.
Let's get this thing going. Well, there's not a lot of people because then I have a meeting tonight.
You want to go on the bus?
No, it's not foam.
It's not snow.
It's snow.
It's snow. It's fake snow.
Doesn't look like fake snow. I actually think that's bubbles. So. Check it out.
Covered in soap.
Is it soap?
Yes, it's soap. Can you please help me clean this off?
Did you get it in your mouth? If it's in your eye, why are you coughing? It's in your nose?
Thank you.
Shake it off.
I accidentally sniffed up some.
You sniffed up some. Oh my God, look at you. Look at you.
Please help me clean this off.
Don't be lost.
Mom, please help me clean this off. That's a word.
Do not get that on the dog.
Can you please help me?
You are ridiculous.
Can you please help me clean this off?
What am I supposed to do? I can't see.
It grows to 600 capacity.
Wow.
And I got some other stuff.
Bud, what is there? You're only supposed to get 2. What else did you get? You're only supposed to get 2.
Oh, I didn't read the sign. So I'm gonna have to...
What are you getting? A bouncy ball?
Does it bounce?
Getting a ball and a recorder?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a minion on the ball.
Throw alligator on! Wait, where's my thing? Where's my ticket?
Where's your ticket?
In this sound.
I see that.
Look at
So
this.
do you want that
thing.
one or the big one?
I've done this, Mom. I've bound and cut this with one hand 200 times.
Yeah.
Did you?
No, the way you do it is not the way I do it.
Hey everyone, so I just got back from my meeting. The kids had a great time at the holiday festival thing that we went to, and then I had to rush off to a meeting. But I wanted to show you guys real quick what Buddy, our elf, did today. I will insert a picture if I remember, so future editing Becca, insert a picture of what he did yesterday, and this is what he did today. So yeah, he had to clean our window. He had to clean our window. There, mirror, not window. That's a mirror. And then also I wanted to show you guys, watch out Doodle. Doodle. Wanted to show you guys what I got in our white elephant gift exchange for the party I went to today. I also have a party on Saturday. Lots of parties this time of year, guys. But look at it. It jingles. Love it. I love it. I love it. So he's nice. He's nice, like soft, like hard plushie. So super duper awesome. And then I also, oh no, my head wig fell. I finally went and added my plushies to my tree for Harry Potter. I still feel like the tree needs something else, guys. I don't know what it's missing, but it's, oh my god, what is up with whatever. So I actually need to get ready to go to bed. Joffiel has a doctor's appointment in the morning. There will be a super special video for tomorrow. Tomorrow's video for Vlogmas is actually going to be how I prep the boys' schoolwork for the week. Told you guys earlier in this video I was filming it. So that is Vlogmas Day 12, I think, is the Vlogmas where that's going to show up. Whereas this is Vlogmas Day 11, so I need to go and edit this and get this started to upload for tonight. So technically tomorrow. So I guess there'll be 2 videos posted tomorrow. I don't know. Oh my goodness. I need to get ready to go to bed. I just wanted to end this vlog and say thank you for coming along with us on this very crazy journey. I'm also deciding that I'm not going to vlog daily anymore for Vlogmas. I think I'm only going to vlog or do a video when it warrants, because a lot of my life is the same and it's very boring. I don't do a lot. I am either working or I'm homeschooling the kids. So I think I'm just going to film when we go places. I think that's probably my best bet. And I'm like sitting here circling my tree, trying to find spots. So there we go. So I think that's gonna do it. What's today? I don't think I have anything going on. Nope. So I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.